This is the route we take to the Parque de la Estacion from our house in Altos del Limonar. It's only 2.8 kilometres and takes us about 10 minutes on the bikes. We go down what's famously known as the Yellow Brick Road under the bridge of the N332 on Avenue de la Estacion, which takes us directly to the park.
Hola and welcome to the channel Between the Lakes with Mike and Yvonne. It's Saturday the 22nd of October and it's very humid today. It's very warm and sticky. It's about 26 degrees but it feels a lot more.
Today we've come to the Parque de la Estacion in Torrevieja, and we've come to see, for the first time we believe in Torrevieja, is the food festival with vintage trucks. And that's the attraction to this food festival. The food smells great, so come on, we're going to go and have a look.
We're going to have a look, sell street food.
Yeah. Whoa! The Torrevieja Street Food Festival comes to the city for the first time. The famous Feria de Food Trucks food market has already proven a hit throughout the Costa Blanca and is now in Torrevieja at the Parque de la Estacion. 8 vintage food trucks will attend the event with additional attractions including a vintage market area with fashion, art and design and an outdoor dining terrace offering more than 100 tables. The classic specially adapted trucks will serve a selection of street food that embraces global flavours from around the world, including German, French, Belgian, Argentinian, Mexican and a selection of American and European burgers. The festival brings together a DJ, live music from local performing artists and family-friendly entertainment over the course of the weekend. There's live entertainment on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. It's been a great day today, great food, great music and good beer.
Yeah, and we'd just like to say hi to Louise and Tony, who we bumped into today, our subscribers.
Yeah, and on that note, it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. 3, 2, 1, peace. Adios.